Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Back in HSK 1 in Grammar 1.3.3, we learned how to use the question word ma to seek confirmation, meaning is that right? For example, how do you say, is it good? You say, it's good, right? 好吗? Right, very simply. Now let's expand on that and see how 好吗 can be used to make a suggestion. For example, let's go out to eat, okay? Would be, 我们一起去吃饭好吗？我们一起去吃饭好吗？
我走了。
去哪儿？
去饭馆吃羊肉。
哎，等等，一起去好吗？我刚才说什么了？我刚才说一起去好吗？一起去好吗？ Remember back in Grammar 2.2.1, we learned how to use the construction adjective 不 adjective to ask whether that's the case. For example, 好吗 becomes 好不好。 For example, let's go out to eat, okay, becomes 我们一起去吃饭好不好？我们一起去吃饭好不好？ Another example, call me tomorrow afternoon, okay? 你明天下午给我打电话好吗？ becomes 好不好？你明天下午给我打电话好不好？ Let's go for a movie tomorrow afternoon, okay? 我们下午去看电影好吗？ becomes 我们下午去看电影好不好？我们下午去看电影好不好？ Wait for me, okay? 你等等我好吗？你等等我好吗？ becomes 你等等我好不好？你等等我好不好？ This is like the person is saying, hey, how come you're not waiting for me? Can you wait for a bit? 你等等我好不好？ Okay, great. Now you can review the grammar point as written in the textbook under Lesson 8, Note 1. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.